Imagine you just got a Netflix gift card, but you're not sure how to use it or pay for your subscription. You've been trying to figure it out for a while, but nothing seems to work. Don't worry, we've got you covered. So listen, here are 5 simple steps to start paying with your Netflix gift card, all right? Here we go. Number 1, first you're gonna log into your Netflix account. So if you don't have one, you're gonna need to create one. Second, head to the account section, okay, and click on redeem gift card or promo code. Then you're gonna scratch off the code on the back of your gift card and you're gonna enter it on the screen. Number 4, you're gonna confirm the details and you're gonna hit apply. And then your gift card balance will now show up in the payment methods. And finally, Netflix will automatically use your gift card balance when your next payment is due, all right? So don't wait any longer to enjoy your Netflix shows with a gift card. And go ahead, give it a try today. Hope this works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more tips like this. See you next time. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.